I made it to Hong Kong! Backstory lang, galing akong Casa Valario with my family. So, wala talagang tulog. Pero, I slept at 1:30 a.m. Nag-alarm ako ng 3:30 a.m. And for some reason, hindi ako nagising sa alarm. And kasi nga, mahina pala yung alarm ko. Iba yung ringtone. Kasi nag-reset ako ng phone. So, mahabang story. But, I woke up at 6 a.m. Buti na lang tinatawagan nila ako. Tapos, 7:55 yung flight. And hindi ako na late. Nakakain pa ako sa lounge. And here I am. Hindi nga lang ako naka-makeup kanina. As in, 10 minutes of my life. Talagang pagkagising ko, book grab, hulamos, toothbrush, pak, alis. Ganon kabilis, guys. Kaya ko naman pala ng ganon. But anyway, thank you, Lord, dahil nakaabot ako. And by the way, guys, I'm here for Constellation Travels. It's a travel agency which caters to a lot of tourists na gusto pumunta ng Hong Kong, ng Dubai. Actually, may mga local trips din sila, so you can check it out. So, ang galing for us because talagang wala na kami inisip, hassle-free. Kahit yung online check-in, sila na rin yung gumawa. Pati yung pick-up sa airport, yung itinerary, of course, the food, hotel, fast pass namin sa Disneyland, which is tomorrow. So, I'm so excited. So, we're here to really promote their agency, which is, for me, 5-star na agad so far. So, I'm gonna go down now for lunch. Nauna na sila kasi medyo nakaayos na sila. Papunta nga dito sa Hong Kong. Ako hindi pa. So, ngayon lang ako naka-total makeup. So, yeah, I'm hungry. So, let's go. Oh, by the way, let's check. I'm wearing H&M, my top. This is actually a bodysuit. So, hanggang dyan yan. Tapos, I love the pants. Feeling ko, maggamit ko siya sa buong trip ko and anywhere. Kasi, di ba, hindi naman nauso yung mga skinny jeans. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Bye! Guys, we're off to dinner. Bahay na po ako. Yung totoo. Meanwhile sila.
At home na yung
Meanwhile, naka-outfit pa. Lahat kami. Naka-backless si Vina. Me, naka-booth. Bahay niya. Uy! Tuloy kayo! Tuloy kayo! Ang galing, guys, kasi yung hotel namin may access sa mall, Harbor City, and sa restaurant. So, from 16th floor na elevator, may daan diretso dito. Taipei restaurant. It's Jack and I. More power to our businesses. Good morning, guys. We have breakfast here. Yan, good morning na lang. Oh, good morning.
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning.
And you have red.
Okay, matagal to. Sige. More airtime, more airtime. Sige pa, sige pa. guys, it's super hot. Super hot. 35 degrees ata, no?
Talaga? It's in okay.
Yung pawis namin, no? So, kailangan ng payong at the Jisoo Life.
Jisoo Life is life.
Is life. Init. So, feeling ko punta ka dito mga 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love that thawed a frozen heart.
Exactly! When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream.
Good morning, guys! And it's our third day. And you know what? Pagising ko sa umaga kanina, talagang inisip ko, shucks, kukuha ko ng kape. Ang interesting kasi nung pagkuha ng kape, diba? Yung parang digital and all. So, I'm gonna go there now with my table mates. Yan. Constellation Travels and Team Stories ko.
Good morning.
And myself, Arian. Wow! Sariling business. So, kukuha na ako ng breakfast. So, look at this, guys. Ta-da! I'm gonna choose if it's whole milk or espresso. And I will start. It's dispensing. Babe, what are you buying?
I'm buying a lot.
Oh,
So happy!
Miss Vina, Miss Vina. What are you buying po?
NARS,
Uh-huh.
Benefit, and yung Japanese.
Okay. Noted, bye.
Mga contact lens.
Okay. What are you shopping?
Girl. Wait, no problema ako. Ano pa kukunin ko?
No.
Help me.
NARS.
Ano na naubos?
Meron akong
naubos mo
NARS.
na yung budget mo, no?
Yes. Dito naman talaga siya nakatambay sa NARS. So, ano binili mo?
Oh my God, asan nabudol na po.
Ay, ang dami.
I already have this and this.
Oh, yeah. Meron ako
And
nito.
Maganda.
Perfect.
Okay, and then, considering this,
The eyeshadow.
tapos si Ate Girl, pinabudol niya ako kasi sabi niya, pag mag-over daw ng X amount, may free gift daw. So, magpapabudol ba tayo sa free gift?
What's the gift first?
The gift is, where's the
What's
gift?
the gift?
The gift is parang maganda yung gift.
Asa?
So, like, my blush, my concealer, my blush, and my lipstick. So, ano, magpabudol ka na rin. Magpabudol na po tayo. Mga ano.
1,380.
So,
Parang
ano ba?
500 lang yung sa.
Ay, oo.
Ang layo, girl. Beautiful.
That's Guinness Murniba. Guinness Murniba. Guinness Murniba.
Ah, thank you. Yeah. Yay! Okay. Buy it.
I know I should leave, 'cause you're driving me mad. You burn like a fire.
Good morning, guys. It's our 4th day here in Hong Kong and it's our last day. So, good thing na lang. Thank you so much, Marco Polo Prince Hotel, kasi they let us stay until 5 p.m. Actually, until 7 kasi yung flight namin is like 7 p.m. So, super duper late check-out to. And it's all because of Constellation Travels and Team Story Scope to make it possible. Kaya more power to you guys. We didn't feel like it's work. Talagang sobrang chill lang. Lahat ng kinainin namin sobrang sarap. And right now, I just wanna do a haul from Faces. Yeah. We love shopping for makeups. Yun talaga yung plano namin. And I'm just really thankful because meron kasama sa perks namin. Diba? Nagtagal kami. Parang buong morning, nag-shopping lang kami with makeups. And their lineups of makeup brands are really good. Like, for example, NARS, Bobbi Brown, merong Makeup Forever, may Benefits. So, I'm gonna show you kung ano yung mga pinagbibili ko. I bought a new foundation, even if ang dami ko ng foundation. This is NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I'm in the shade Fiji. And actually, dapat bibili ako nung blush na dati ko pang ginagamit kasi wala na ako nun yung Orgasm X. Hindi yun bastos. Basta yun yung shade. But, hindi na ako nakabili kasi ang dami ko pang gustong biling iba. So, and marami na rin akong blush. So, eto siya. Ka-color ko siya. So, if we have the same skin color, baka okay din sa inyo to. Honestly, na-miss ko mag-benefit. As in, nung nag-start pa lang ako as a model, talagang puro benefit yung makeups ko. And until now, magaganda pa rin yung quality. So, ang dami kong binili. Professional primer. So, ito talaga yung primer ko before. Talagang finifill niya yung mga pores mo para mas mukhang smooth and flawless ka. So, ito siya. For sure, sa mga girls dyan, you know what I'm saying. And this one is for the brows. So, we all know that makapal lang brows ko, pero mas pinapakapal ko pa ang weird. Pero, it's a clear brow setter para lang mas maging mukhang bushy lang, tsaka mas mag-scatter lang yung brows ko. And, of course, ito talaga favorite ko, the High Beam. Sobrang gusto ko tong High Beam kasi highlighter siya. Ang dami nang lumalabas na highlighter now. But, for some reason, kasi medyo may pagka-light pink-ish siya. So, hindi siya yung white highlighter. And talagang nagtatagal siya on my face. Okay, palettes, ganyan. A Bobbi Brown Micro Brow Pencil. Kasi paubos na talaga yung panghilay ko. So, yun yung mga pinagbibili ko. And sometimes I change my hair color. So, at least I have a darker one. Very pigmented, by the way. So, matipid lang siya gamitin. Meron dun kasing section na parang more on Japanese brands. So, si Vina, marami nga siyang nabiling contact lenses. Ako, bumili ako ng Artificial Art Lab for nails. So, bumili ako ng 3 kasi parang 150 HKD lang yung isa. Tapos, meron kasing libreng, ano bang tawag dito, nabudol na naman ako. Libreng gel lang if I'm gonna buy 3. Para at least, hindi all the time nagpapanails ako. Honestly, ayoko naman din masyado nagpapanails. But, kasi parang, di ba, ang dami natin skincare products or makeup. So, parang ang pangat din naman kapag yung nails ko hindi maganda or parang weird. Mga problema ko, no, sa buhay. Guys, tanggapin nyo na ako. Influencer, ganun talaga. Kailangan medyo maganda kahit yung mga details, diba? And also, I bought this one dun sa Japanese area nila. It's called One Day Tat. Okay, palette din pala to, guys. Ito yung nilalagay ko sa ilalim ng mata ko. Yung mga uso ngayon, diba? So, maglalagay ulit ako. Para, K-pop yan, ganyan. So, pag nilagay ko yan, i-scatter ko na lang. And then, that's it. Yun yung mga nabili ko. I'm really happy. And today is shopping day again. So, magsa-shopping na naman. Sa Causeway Bay naman kami. Yung mga shoes, yung marami kaliwat kanan, may New Balance, may Adidas, ganyan. And nandiyan na si Lisa. But yeah, basically, yun yung gagawin namin ngayon. Shopping and then check out at 7 p.m. So, later! So guys, nag-iwahiwalay na kami. Look at my makeup. Wow! Namili na ako ng makeup. Kahapon, namili kami ng makeup. Ngayon, bumili ako ng makeup. Nung pumunta ako sa Singapore, namili ako ng makeup. Puro na ako makeup. Baka naman po, no? So ngayon, baka pumunta ako sa mga shoes, New Balance. In an hour, we have to go back to the hotel kasi flight na namin. So, Lisa, are you happy with your shopping?
Yes. I got my shoes.
Aray! Nag-iwalay po kami, no? Para dito.
Kanya-kanyang bahay.
How about you? Your shopping?
Big house. Diba? Ano ba eh? Meanwhile, Rhea.
Meanwhile, Rhea, ang dami. Oh my God. Yan na naman po yung pa-toys niya.
yan eh. Asawa eh.
Plus,
Baka may pasabay kayo. Wait lang, hindi lang Lululemon naman ito.
hindi lang. Tingnan.
May mga toys yan.
Ano? Bibi! Pinapanood yung Singapore vlog ko. Ayan na naman siya. Ayan na naman po siya.